All right, those were my burrito tortillas. Now I'm bringing my hash brown patties that I pre-cooked, and I'm just placing them right on top of our tortillas, just like so. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious family style breakfast. Okay, perfect. And I'm just gonna add this one right in the end so we don't waste any. Now I'm bringing in my cooked ground sausage. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love a good ground sausage in the breakfast morning. And this is gonna go beautifully with all of our other ingredients. I'm gonna use 1 pound, try to avoid all that greasy bits. We ran out of paper towels, so I had nothing to grab the grease. And then we're gonna spread that from edge to edge, covering those hash browns. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Okay. Edge to edge. Now, personally, I do not think this is enough meat, so I'm gonna bring in my chopped bacon. So if you wanna use, you know, cooked bacon, you can cook your own bacon and chop it up and put it in here, but I think that the Black Label bacon is just so yummy, and this chopped one is my favorite.
It smells delicious. Wow.
Oh yeah. Okay, I think that's enough meat now, right?
Yeah, totally.
Now, this is a breakfast, so we gotta bring in our scrambled eggs. Now this is 10 eggs that I cooked and scrambled, and we're just gonna put that right on top of our entire breakfast sheet pan. Oh my, this smells delicious, looks delicious. It's gonna be incredible. Okay, let's get all of those eggs on there and then we can spread it out. Yummy, that looks great. And you can season your eggs however you like. I just added a little garlic powder in mine because that's my favorite seasoning for anything. But this is gonna be so yummy, so easy, and incredible. Okay, let's make sure we get eggs in each bite. Honestly, if I had thought about it, I would have done a full dozen eggs, but I really thought 10 would be enough.
Oh, this is plenty of eggs, babe. We have tons of meat.
Okay, perfect. Yummy. All right, my special ingredient is gonna be this Taco Bell sauce. It is so good, so delicious. And we're just gonna go ahead and kind of scoop that right on top of our eggs. Oh my, this really is what adds the moisture, adds the flavor, adds a little bit of heat. It is the best sauce you can buy. And I just got this at Kroger. I've seen it at Walmart too, but you know, you can get it at your local grocery store just as easy. So let's go ahead and use this whole jar because this is a big breakfast. This is gonna feed about 12 people. This is great for, you know, Christmas morning, Thanksgiving morning, or if it's just a Sunday brunch, you wanna take it to, you know, church for everyone to enjoy. This is gonna be a crowd pleaser.
This reminds me of something.
Oh yeah, I mean, I got it inspired by the Taco Bell breakfast. My husband always gets the breakfast crunch wrap with steak.
It's my favorite thing.
But I personally do not enjoy steak in the morning, so that's why I switched it up with the sausage and the bacon. But you could do a ham, you could do a chorizo, you could do whatever meat in this, and it would be delicious. Doesn't it look so good?
Oh, my mouth is watering.
It smells delicious. That sauce is incredible. Now, this is optional because we do have that cheesy sauce on there, but I'm adding more cheese. And just like with the meats, you can add whatever cheese you like. I'm doing the Tillamook because that is the best cheese you can buy. Okay.
I didn't think this could get any better until I saw the cheese.
I'm gonna get it on the edges where that sauce didn't reach so that every bite is delicious. Okay, that looks absolutely incredible. Now I'm gonna bring in my last tortilla. So this pack came with 8, which is the perfect amount for our recipe. That goes right in the center. And then we have to fold in our edges, just like so. Just quickly fold it in. We might need to adjust the center one so that everything gets covered. Do the sides. Perfect. Ends. Oh my gosh, this is stacked, you guys. And I'm kind of just holding it so that it can stay in place and we can kind of press it down once it's all in there.
Do you want me to help you?
Oh, no, I think I got it. Look at that. Nice. And once the cheese melts, that will really hold it together. Ooh, okay, I think that's ready. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for about 25 minutes. All right, breakfast is served. Looks so good, you guys. You can even see a little bit of the melted cheese right there. it is time to cut in here and take a bite. Oh, look at that. Looks so good.
Oh, wow.
All right, put that on my plate super quick. And then for me, I'm gonna serve this with a little bit of salsa. That looks good. Sheldon wants some salsa or something. All right, and now it is time to give this a try. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. That cheese, look at that hash brown in there, the sausage.
Looks insane.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be insane. Okay, I think this corner in the salsa, this is my own personal salsa, so you guys can't get mad at me for dipping in there.
Is that good?
That is better than Taco Bell.